Hello YouTube, Aaron here with another one. I just thought I'd give a little quick update to the AKGE Linux. I just installed it. I tried to install it with my new installer that I created, and I have put out that it's still in the testing phase, and to be honest it didn't work on bare metal. It seems to work fine in a virtual machine, but it doesn't like to work in bare metal. And to be honest, when you do click the install system, you've got two options now, and that option doesn't currently work. I didn't expect it not to work on real hardware, but for some reason it just didn't want to work. I'll do a lot more tests, of course. I've got the script backed up. It's a Python binary file, so I've got all the files. It's all online, just in case. But yeah, I'm currently running AKGE Linux, and I had some sort of a repo issue. It seems to have resolved itself, so I could do a little update of the repos. Everything works. I can't remember what I was actually trying to install. I'm pretty sure in this release I haven't installed Python Sphinx, and I just want to check that. So that hasn't been installed. I normally install that. And Python Chardet is another one that I install, and these are actually build dependencies for the Plasma desktop when you build the beta. So if I was to actually build this from KDE SRC Builder, I would need these two packages. So I don't know why they're not installed, because they're like the core packages for actually building Plasma. Whether I'm wrong by saying that they should be installed, they might just be development packages, but they're two of the packages that need to be installed. In fact, I'm going to install them anyway. Python Sphinx, and then another one that's normally installed is like lib2devil, is it? I think, is it libcdevil? lib2devil, that's the one. These are prime packages for the desktop when you're building it from KDE SRC Builder. And another one is like package kit, is it Qt6? Or it might have been at the start, because I think they've got rid of that now. The package kit Qt6 and the package kit Qt5. I believe they told me to remove it at some point in the Discover store. But these are prime packages that I normally install. So I will be adding these. I also wanted to show what packages I did install primarily, so you just see what packages I did install. We are on the Qt6 base 6.8. These are packages I primarily install on my system. This is version 1, so there is some things that I do need to add to make it the finishing product. To be fair, I might just do that in a minute. There's not really much I need to add. So you've got like 3 individual packages. There's a command that I need to put to add NTFS support, is it? Not NFTC. NTFS support. So that's for like Windows hard drives. And that fix there is actually on a Manjaro website. So if you wanted to, you could just go here, sudo t fix ntfs, and you'll find it straight away. It's a Manjaro forum fix, and this is how I normally find it. So I'm actually cancelled the. I went to download the latest and greatest AKGE Linux, because obviously I had some sort of a repo issue, and well, as soon as I cleared the repos it seemed to have worked. I don't know what's going on with the internet. I'm not downloading anything. The fix is on this website anyway, and the command is like echo blacklist. Sudo t echo black. What is going on with the internet? Can we get anything? Manjaro website's down or something. I don't know. That's working. Forums seems to be an issue. Sudo t ntfs. I won't be going on any right. Here we go. Here's the exact one. Box, whatever that is. I thought it was Manjaro, but it's not. I noticed this command because I've used it 1,000 times. It's this one here, echo blacklist sudo t, and what this does, it basically blacklists a specific file which doesn't allow you to read the NTFS drives. But as soon as you do this, it's going to tell you that it's blacklisted that file. It's then going to add a file into the etc mod profile, is it? Here. It's going to add this file here. It basically tells it to blacklist the NTFS3, and that will allow you to use your NTFS drives. I don't currently have one because I actually sold mine off. I didn't really need it. It was kind of slowing me down a little bit, so I sold it in the end. I don't know why I said Manjaro forum. I mean, I would have thought it looks similar, to be honest. It's got an M to it. Something else. So this here doesn't work. I think that might be a bug to do with the developer, but this is why I created these in the first place, because I was compiling the KDE development software, and I found that, you know, my menu didn't work at the time. So obviously this is a custom fork. I forked the menu and made my own version of it, and basically you haven't got the recent documents at the bottom of it. But yeah, I originally had that issue, and what I did is I built this menu here for that. So these do work. I'm not going to use them because of course I'm recording. Yeah, needless to say, you know, I'm currently using the new KDE Linux respin that I've made, and I think it's seamless. Apart from that one issue of not being able to shut down with that menu, with this menu here, I'm having no issues. I'm finding it's working fine. Of course, I had the repo issue, but that was because my internet wasn't working too well. So I connected my phone to it, and it seemed to work fine. You can also clear the packages if you really wanted to. I'm not going to do it in this. As you can see, I do clear the packages quite a lot as well. So I installed OBS, and then I'll clear the packages. You've got to be careful of when you do clear the packages. It's always good to install your system, you know, install your package and then reboot and then clear the package, because if you've done like a kernel update or grub gets updated and then you clear the packages, it's going to clear everything and possibly delete everything, and you don't want that. I've had an issue before. It's cleared the kernel and I'm like, oh, I've just built a system, and I've realised that I need to reboot before clearing the pacman with the SCC command. So I hope you've enjoyed this video anyway. I just wanted to show you know that I am running the system and I'm having no issues running it. KDE Linux all the way, honestly. It is the way forward, I believe. And well, I'm going to build a new 101 update, and that's going to have the Python things, the NTFS support, Python char.det, glib2 devil, and there's nothing else. There really is nothing else. I've got all of what I normally add on here. Image writer, I don't think it works. I'm not too sure. I might remove that, and if you want to install your own ISO writer, then feel free, because everything seems, unless I find a Blender etcher, we can look now. Linear etcher, app image. I don't think I'm going to be installing any ISO writers because they're all flat packs. There is an app image of it. No, there's a zip. Look, the Legacy 32 flipping. Oh, why would you make an app image that's just 32-bit? One file, one open, 64-bit. We need an app image. I might shove this app image on it. Download. See what it's like. It'd be nice if you actually did download it. Yeah, I think I'm going to shove this app image instead of using that. I'll uninstall that app image and I'll use Boolean Lecture because for some reason it don't like to work. We've got my Ventor USB stick set up, right? So, yeah, I've got to download version 1. I'm going to build version 101. Probably upload it before I head to sleep. That'll be the next thing. And then I'm going to build the full edition. So let's just give this a test. Oh no, something or the other one going to work. I'm yet to test this software, but I believe it'll work. It's Boolean Lecture. This KD thing doesn't work, I'll be honest. I tried it earlier. Other than that, I've really got nothing more to say. I just thought I'd give you a quick update to say, you know, it is working. I've had no problems using it apart from the fact that I can't shut down with this button now. If you do wish to shut down, you can just go into the console, type in sudo shutdown, or shutdown now is it, or sudo shutdown now, that'll work. You can do that, or you can do this. And I can say that it's this command because I actually built it. So just quickly go here and then that's it, the end of the video. What we do is go here, sudo share kio service menus, and shutdown script is this command here. You can of course use sudo if you wish, but that command is the back end to this here. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope you have a good night or day, whatever time is when you watch this video. It's a bye from me, Aaron.